Okay, today's video is going to be about Roku channel. How to get on YouTube, subscribe, and like and dislike. So once you're on the home screen, you right click so you get over to YouTube. I'm sure you know how to find the YouTube on your Roku. You click on the YouTube. Once it comes up, you left click, you get to home, then you go up to search. Once you're on search, you see a list of them, all a list of what I've been watching, and you go over further and you can put in whatever you're looking for. So for this video, we'll go to My Adventures After 80, and we'll click on that. So once it comes up, you click on it. Then when you get your first video, you click on it. Then when it starts playing, you get a double click. That will stop the video, and you use the up arrow, and then the right arrow will take you over to the channel, the like, dislike, and whatever. Then you click on the channel. That comes up, you go to channel, and then once the video comes up again, you up arrow, and that will bring you up to the top where you got to watch trailer or subscribe. There you have it. Thanks for watching.